Hi, this is Jim Robinson with the Premium Stock Newsletter. Um, I'm going to start doing more videos that will be kind of mentoring and just basically letting you know what the stocks we're in the Premium Newsletter are doing. So here's one we're in right now. It's ctdc, and I think it's just made a bull swing here and a correction, and I think we're pretty close to the correction low. We bought it in the newsletter over here somewhere right around 350, and we're holding it. Now, a lot of times what people will do when they look for where corrections are going to come in at is they'll look for Fibonacci retracements. So what we do is we click down here, and then we click on the top basically here, and then that gives us our Fibonacci retracement for this stock. And a lot of times where you look for the retracement to come in is right at the 0.618 Fibonacci level, which is 332. This stock is right at around $3 a share now. These support areas aren't like written in stone, you know, you got to give them a little leadway, it's just an area. But anyway, so you can see that right now ctdc, this is a daily chart, is right on at a Fibonacci retracement. Okay, now I'll take that off, and here's another kind of interesting little thing that this is advanced get software I'm going to be using most of the time, not all the time, you know. But this is another interesting thing that this has. Let's see here. It will back off of the chart. I don't know why it had to make that chart bigger, but it looks like it's bound and determined to do that. There's another indicator that this has when you put on the bottom of the swing and the top of the swing. And this is pretending like we're right at the high right now. I moved the data back a little bit. And then what it does, it gives you this ellipse indicator, it's called. And then as the market progresses, this ellipse closes in on the price, and it tells you, I think it's based on Fibonacci and momentum. It's a combination of things, but it tells you when it thinks a low is in the market. And this is pretty interesting here. We'll move forward a week at a time, and that data just wants to get bigger for some reason, but that's okay. We'll see what's going on here. You can see the ellipse is moving with each new week of bars that's put in here. And this is just, you know, a lot of people will think, well, oh my gosh, my stock's going down, but this is just normal market action. You know, they're going to correct. They're going to make counter trend corrections, and this is just why, like a lot of times in the newsletter, I'll say buy and hold, because we don't want to get out of a good stock that's just making a correction. Okay, so now we're going ahead, and right there the ellipse and price met, and that's right pretty much where we're at the low right now. So the ellipse is saying that it thinks that this is a low right here. Now we still gotta just because the ellipse is saying it's probably a low, and it looks to me, so I agree with it, but you know, we still gotta wait for the market to move higher and everything. I mean, the stock could keep going lower. Just because this is saying it's a low doesn't mean it's absolutely a low. But what I think is going to happen from here, it gives you a good heads up that this stock is probably going to head higher from here. And what we'd be doing if we were going to buy it, since we're already in it, we're just trying to figure out what it's doing right now. But if we were looking to buy this stock, this would be an area we'd be looking to take buy signals. Now we'll be looking for this stock to rally, and we'd be looking to take any kind of buy signals we had. You could buy it right here just at the market on the ellipse and then put a stop wherever you wanted to. But anyway, I'm going to wrap this one up. That's kind of a quick lesson. We're going to be looking at things like that in the premium newsletter coming up. If you're a member of the premium newsletter and ever have a stock you want me to do some analysis on with this software, just send it in to me and I'll try to include it in the next newsletter. So thanks a lot, Jim Robinson. Thanks for watching the video.